Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video, guys. Back with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'll be eating some rotisserie chicken. Y'all don't know some rotisserie chicken. I haven't had this in a hot minute. Walmart had someone say, like, the lady just brought some fresh one out. I said, you know what? Let me get one, okay? Anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can be notified every time a girl uploads a new video. Sip on my juice. My soda. I call everything juice, okay? Let me bring y'all down here so y'all can see. Oh, let me do a thumbnail. Maybe I should take this thing off. Bruh. This chicken was about $7 something. $7 and something. Oh. Too cute. Let's go. All right, guys, so I got a bowl right here. I'm gonna just cut up the chicken and put piece side on the plate and then go from there. I got some ketchup. I don't know a lot of my ketchup. I got some hot sauce, Jamaican style hot pepper sauce, and I have me some bread to munch that down with, cause Jah know say I. And I got some shears right here to just cut this up. Y'all know say I is hungry. I'm gonna separate some of the skin. I mean, I like too much skin for myself. Alright. Woo. Yo, this tender. Nice and moist and tender. Woo. See, I was gonna dip it in. Let me see, I'll put this right here. Alright, that's good. Guys, yes, I wash my hands. Miss scrub my hand. What a fuck. So I can't scrub it no more. Here's a close-up. Yo. Let me get a piece of bread. Ooh. Y'all, I had this pepper sauce for a good hot minute. I don't know it lasts so long. I need to start. Whew. Let me see. Oh yeah, I was gonna do it in a Smackalicious, dip this in a Smackalicious sauce. But, like I said, I was too hungry. Because I would have had to reheat the sauce and all that goodness. But what y'all like to eat our rotisserie chicken with? Just plain like that, or like to add ketchup on there like me? Barbecue sauce. Guys, I'm gonna eat some first. Then I'll start talking a little bit. Someone's like, too much talking, too much talking. I was like, damn, I didn't even know I was talking that much. Honestly, I don't think I ever had rotisserie chicken from Walmart. I don't recall. Get some of that juice. Yeah, hold on. Thought I had some napkins, but hold on. Alright guys, so let me cut this piece right here. Cut off the other side. Yes. Y'all, as you touch it, it break apart. Alright. Woo. Put some of that juice on that. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. I'm gonna add some more ketchup. Oh. Guys, I was supposed to post a video on Wednesday. I went to, I was trying to do that KFC chicken, that donut chicken sandwich. I was trying to do a video on that. That didn't work out. So, that's why I didn't drop a video on Wednesday. Woo. But here I am today, baby. Y'all go get y'all some rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna tell y'all this. If y'all go to Publix, most likely, you're not gonna find any. Because I went to my local Publix. They didn't have no rotisserie chicken. I went to the meat section. No chicken. Like, everybody buy all the chicken. But say, no, stop. It's an epidemic, guys. Like, this thing is just... Can't find nothing. All the orange juice done, gone. Here's a chicken bati. If you're Jamaican, you know what they say when you eat chicken bati. Well, what do they say? But not chicken bati, you chat too much. Or something like that. But usually some people fry the chicken bati to get aisle. Like the poor man, if you're not an aisle like your yard, you fry the chicken bati on the fat from off the chicken to get gravy. I mean to get oil. So you can fry it, so you can cook then your chicken. So I went to the grocery store. People were just shopping. Like, ain't no corona going on. They might not. They don't care. They don't care if they might catch corona. By scrolling around in Publix, taking their sweet time. But all I can say is Publix, before they send the carts in, like line up the carts, the cart station, someone's out there wiping out all the carts as they come through. And they have a tapes 6 feet apart in the line. And every couple minutes or so, someone get on the intercom and talk about, remember, practice safety, try to stay 6 feet away from the other customer, stay your distance. I was like, okay. They really care. Everybody was wearing their gloves, doing what they were supposed to do. It looks clean, feels clean, looked like they were doing the right thing. I had to go to Walmart to get some other stuff because Publix didn't really have what I was looking for, which was meat mostly. So Walmart, all right, you know that you got an entrance. Well, they got 2 doors. You go in and out, but now they're using one side to just go in. So they turn some carts down, so you gotta go way down, come back around just to enter. And the exit got its own separate exit over here. I'm like, you know what I mean? It don't even make no sense. Okay, yeah, but then Walmart, they have napkins where you could wipe down your cart. Sanitized napkins, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, you wipe on your own cart, but when you go in, everybody's bouncing on each other. Everybody's right next to each other. Like, you know, there's way more people at Walmart than Publix. Everybody's bumping into each other. Everybody's in close distance. Even though they have Walmart also have the little square thing showing how far you should stay apart from someone in the line. But it was a little different. I just felt like everybody was all up on each other. Everybody was all up on each other at Walmart. Nobody really give a damn. They're just trying to get their grocery. Mm. 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 The one thing with rotisserie chicken, you have to, like, they don't clean. It's the whole chicken. They just roast the whole chicken. So all this fat, all them stuff here. Yeah, all the intestine, well, all the yucky stuff still up in that chicken. You know, everything just falling off. Look at it. Quench my thirst, guys. Till they make 1 year. Till they makes 1 year since I've been on YouTube. Crazy. Never thought I'd be here still making videos. I applaud myself. If you're still here watching this to the end, like most people don't watch the video to the end, drop couple hearts. It don't matter what color, whichever. Drop some hearts, baby. Honestly, the chicken breast I probably make like a chicken dip or something like that. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, baby. Bye.